Alright, in this video we are going to learn how to place a book on hold at the Chief Sealth International High School Library so that it will be ready for you to pick up during our curbside pickups. So the first thing we'll do is we'll go to Student Family Portals. This is either on the Seattle Public Schools webpage or on the Chief Sealth webpage. Once we're there, we will scroll down to Clever, the student portal. And we're going to log in with the Active Directory. So you'll notice that I'm typing in my username. For students, it will start with 1 and then first initial, middle initial, and last name at seattleschools.org. Next, I am going to do this again, but this time I'm not going to use the email address. I'm just going to use my username like I'm logging into my computer. So once I'm into the portal, I'm going to scroll down, and here it's on my district tool or the SPS tools. Also, if you scroll down to the library and reference, you can find the library catalog there. So you'll click that, and that will take you here. Now, the first time you come, you're going to need to find our school. So you'll type in Washington, with that right on top. I just typed in a W and it came up. So now I'm going to start typing Chief Sealth. Oh, and there it is right there. So I'm going to click on that and say Go. All right, so I start with my state, I find our school, and now what I'm going to do is I see that I'm here at the Chief Sealth International webpage. All right. So I'm going to scroll up here and log in, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to log in with my username again. Click Submit. Alright, so this is awesome because I can scroll through here and I can look at the Seahawks Reads books. I can also look at the recently added books. I can scroll through here and see which books have recently been added. I can also see what books are popular right now. Like, ooh, that Stephen King book looks pretty rad. I'm going to click on that. And also see it says that it's in up there. So what I can do now is if I want to place this on hold, I just click the hold button and now it's available for me. So what we can do is, what I will do as your librarian is I'll get this ready to go for you if you place it on hold. And when you come to the curbside checkout on Wednesday between 11 and 2, this will be ready and checked out for you. You just have to come by and pick it up. Now, if you change your mind, you're like, actually, I don't know if I want to read that one. I want to finish it first. Another Stephen King book. You can just unhold it, and that'll place it back so that it's available for other people to check out. All right, and that's how you place a book on hold. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with me. I'm Mr. Azinger. You can reach me at ljazinger@seattleschools.org. Thanks for tuning in.